got this. So this is the how you can fetch particular section links directly. This is the code for links. First you have to identify the particular section web element, section name equal to driver dot find element by dot locator locate value. Then fetch all the links in this section. So list web element section links equal to the section name dot find elements by dot tag name a. Code fixed. This code is fixed. You don't need. You want links, you have to give always all links, group of links, not single, a group of links. If you want find elements method, you have to use and provide the tag name as a locator and give the tag value a. So all the links will come and store in this collection. So you can find the size of that collection. Then you want to fetch particular drop down options. This is the way. So first identify the drop down web element, drop down name equal to driver dot find element by dot locator locate value. You give the which locator you want to use to identify the particular drop down. Then list web element collection name equal to drop down name dot find elements by dot tag name option tag. So in this drop down, how many option tags are there? All option tags will come and store here. So this is what I want to give you particular section links or particular section elements from the drop down how to fetch. So this is a ready-made code. Okay, so just replace your locators. That's it. But this one you don't need to touch. You don't need to touch. Here also you don't need to touch. Only change in this first parent element identification only you need to change. This is the only change. So I already given this code already. Okay, so these are the locators. Now I'm using this concept to fetch all the things. So let's see that. So now I will identify entire section. How you can identify this entire section? So let's move on directly to LinkedIn these validations. LinkedIn section validations. This is the code. I'll take so get code driver. Enter code I'll take. Okay. So first launching the Chrome browser, sorry, Firefox browser. This is the thing I am doing. I'm using the exe file concept here. I'm using here gecko driver.exe. You need to download. If WebDriver manage dot Firefox driver dot setup is not working, you download the gecko driver. So for Firefox browser. Okay. So after downloading, you need to set up that the Firefox path you need to set where the Firefox exe file that you need to set with the set binary method of this Firefox options class. How you can call a non-static method? You have to create object for that class, that object dot non-static method and give the parameter. So then this option object you need to pass the Firefox driver class. That's what I'm passing. Then maximize the window. So add implicit wait. So create object for wait, WebDriver wait object. So new WebDriver wait. First one is a driver, and the second one is the how many milliseconds you want to wait. Then I'm opening the LinkedIn.com URL. Then wait dot until expected conditions title contains the page title. I'm so waiting for that. Then first identifying the general section. See that. So what is this general section? See, this is the entire general section. So let me identify this. The entire section I'm identifying. So I am not no single element. So this entire section. So I'll spy on this entire section. This is the entire section. So mouse over, you will come to know. So this is the one. So you start from here. Div h3ul. So that is the entire section. So till ul, you have to start from div and take this class and give UL tag. Then you will get all the entire section. So that's what I did here. So general section web element, I'm identifying single element. Web element general section equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath /div contains @class. See, this is the value. So w full max w. This is a very big is there. So I'm going to ignore this. I'll give only till here. W to w. I'll give. Remaining I'll ignore. So that's why I'm using contains function inside. Then there is a very big one, right? So maybe so we are taking from here. So this one. From here we are coming up. So from here we are coming up. From here we are coming. Flex justify end PL. So end PL. The only proc. So partially we are taking this one. You can start from here, or you can directly start from here also. But we are going one level up because every div is one section. See, this div is second section. This is the third, fourth. So that's why I'm starting one level. Parent of this. The parent of all these divs is this div. So from this div, I am coming down and taking this. So that's how I did div one of UL. So this is one I identified the general section. Then from this general section, I'm fetching all the links. So list web element section links list equal to the general section element dot find elements by dot tag name A. So now I got all the links. So this links I got with this line of code. So in this general section, how many A tags are there? All A tags of this section element I'll get into my collection. Then I'm iterating. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to collection dot list dot size I plus plus. Now what I want to do, I want to fetch the link name, I want to fetch the link URL, and then I need to click on this link. If you click on this link, it will go to next page. Then you need to come back. Then second link. Then it will go click on that. So each link URL, text, and then click on that. 3 actions I need to do. First 2 is fetching the data of this each link. So how can you, sir, how can you do this? So loop, that's a loop, and you write XPath. So you need to write an XPath for this. So XPath will help you. See how to write XPath. See, I already given this. So just take the XPath of one link, copy from Chrome browser. Okay, copy XPath. Okay, so let's understand this very carefully. I have given this very, very clearly here. So not here, here. So I can go to that scenarios. So there I have given already, but let me show you for you also. Automation scenarios. Here I have given very, very clearly, see linked list, general footer section links scenario. So this all changed, I think now, but this the, so you have how we need to do, I'll tell you. Okay, just take a notepad. Okay, I'll take the notepad. You just understand notepad or notepad plus plus, anything is fine. Okay, so let's go to a new page, or here, just paste it here. The copy we copied, right? That I have taken. So we have copied, right? That I have taken. That's this much big. We don't want this one. So you can directly give from here. So this is all, you can avoid it. Otherwise, you can keep it. It's up to you. I'm not denying. So this, you keep it. So what I'll remove this much big. I don't want. What I'm going to do is div this one, right? Square bracket contains of @class, comma single quote, and I'll give this value. I'll give, so what is that? Go here. So here. So this one, right? This div, you have to give this one. Only partial one I'll give. I don't want to give very big one. So this one from, because I'm coming from this div only. Close that. Okay. So that's it. Now div 1, UL, LI1, this one. Same for the second link. You can see this is the one. And LI2, LI3. So see this, when I put this one, see this will identify the third link. You can observe that. Right? So Control F. See, I'm pasting here. Where is the mistake? Contains spelling. See, exactly it is identifying third link. If I change LI2, second link. If I change LI4, third link, fourth link. LI5. So everything is same. Where it is changing? In the LI place only it is changing. That means I can replace my for loop here, for loop I variable here. How you can parameterize this XPath? So that's what I'm going to give you now. How to parameterize. So now see, this is how it is going, right? So this is how it is keep on changing. So I found here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. But everything is constant, but only one area it is changing. How you can parameterize this? So I'm parameterizing this. See how I'm parameterizing. Parameterizing the XPath. So just replace this where the change is happening. That just put double quotes plus I plus double quotes. That's it. Now, whenever I value 1, first link it will validate. When I value 2, second link it will validate. When I equal to 3, third link. When I equal to 4, fourth link. Then 5. So like this, all the links it will validate. You don't need to hard code. So what we are doing? We are parameterizing that. We are parameterizing that. How we are parameterizing? For loop I variable index, right? These are all indexes. The index one place only it is changing. That I am giving this. So that index I'm passing here. So this is the I can use for my program. So now see this. This is the one I'm going to give you for loop inside. So fetch the link name. How can you fetch the link name? You have to use a get text method, right? String link name equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. I'll give this link name. See the same I have written here also. So div 1 UL LI of double quotes plus I plus. So I value 1 means 1 will come. That is the XPath I given dot get text method. So same second step, fetch the link URL. How can you fetch the link URL? String URL equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Same XPath you provide here also. So double forward slash div contains @ class this one and div 1 UL LI of I slash a get attribute of href. See, remember one thing, any link URL if you want, you need to fetch href value. How can you fetch? Href is an attribute. How can you fetch any attribute value? Using get attribute method. That's a fixed code. These are all. Now I am printing that link URL also. So link name, see I'm putting what is the link name and then what is that URL. Next, click on each link. So driver dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving the XPath, then click method. See on the same XPath, I'm performing the click action, get attribute and get text. So this all these places I value will replace, right? All three actions will be performed. Then what will happen? It will go to next page, right? When you perform the click action, it will go to next page. So wait for the next page URL. Wait dot until expected conditions dot URL contains. There is a method in the expected conditions. URL contains driver dot get of URL, get current URL. Driver dot get current URL means, so next page URL it is waiting. Then so the link name page is loaded properly, and now you get that page title. So then once it is loaded, you come back to previous page. Driver dot navigate method dot back. So you come back, and then loop is ending. Here loop is ending. Loop is ended. That means it will iterate all the elements. Every link after you are coming back, and again start from the beginning. Again start from the beginning. So this is the how it will go. So I'll just put some design to differentiate each link name. Okay, each link name it will so iterate. So maybe I can write iteration 1 or something. Iteration. So I'll put a so plus I plus. So this is how you can do iteration. Right? So iteration also you will get here so easily. Iteration 1, iteration 2, what iteration you can get it. Okay, because I value we are printing the same I value 1, so 1 related all links. Next time first this will print, second iteration it will start. So let's go and run this program. So this is the how you can so write a particular section links. Say Firefox browser only I'm running. Even you can run any browser, not an issue. See, first sign up page, second help, then about LinkedIn, third press, fourth it will go to next page. What happened? Page is blank. It will fail. So because page is blank, I don't know, it's some kind of bug or whatever it is. The page is not loaded, so that's why it will fail. See, it failed. No such element exception. Next element it failed because see we got only how many sign up first link name, sign up URL. So it went to next page and that sign up LinkedIn. Second link iteration to help center. So it went help center is so title. You put some wait time otherwise, okay? So you'll get that. Then press. So LinkedIn press title you got. But later iteration 5th element, so there is a problem here. So it is not loaded. It's not loaded. Page is not loaded. So that's an issue with maybe that's a browser issue or not loading. But our code is perfect. So I'll do one thing. I'll put some thread dot slip here. So after clicking, I'll put some thread dot slip. Just waiting little bit. 2 seconds is enough. So then run it. It will go perfectly this time. So with this all, so programs are done. So IMDb programs are there. I'll just explain and then you can proceed. So it is already available in our blog, automation scenario, same kind of scenario there also. But there you will get a little bit, XPath only, that's main concentration there. How to write XPath for all the links is the mandatory there. It's coming back, going back. See, every link it is going and coming back. developer, last one. This developer is the last one. That's it. Done. Right? Just wait time, right? Wait time is enough. See, seventh link. Right? Seventh link. Iteration 7, iteration 6. See, every link URL you're fetching, automatically it is doing that. Right? So that's how you can get all the link name you're getting, link URL. Then you're clicking and that page URL also you're getting. So this is the how entire code, how to write. So quickly, let me show you IMDb website. So how to automate. This is the you can practice for the second section. Same second section means automatically just div 2. Here you give div 2, remaining everything same. Okay. So that's it. You don't need to change much code. So try writing for one. So practice, it will be practice for you. So let me show you IMDb link. So top 250 links is there, and also anything here also top 250 links also similar. So this is the one TR1. This is the table, basically table. The table data how to fetch, and this will help you. Let me open this link. So this is IMDb table. When entire thing is one table. So 250 movies are there here. So in the 250 movies, first it will be a table first. You understand this table. This is the one column, second column, third column, fourth, and fifth. This is the columns. And rows, these are the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, like that. So table is having rows and columns, right? So how you can, so first one link you take. Observe, one link you observe. So it will start with a table, then T body, then TR, something like that. It will be there. So that you need to understand. See, it will start with a table. Table has a class and this attribute, another attribute, data color name. So I can ignore all this and T body. So I can write table T body, TR, first TR, you can see TD. So the TD2 is the link is there, right? TD3 is the rating, right? That's how you can write. See, TR1, TR2, TR3, TR4, like that. So table rows. So this same I explained here. See, at the rate, double forward slash table tag, at the rate data color name I have taken, double forward slash, because I'm skipping many of them things. That's why directly I'm going table tag after T body, TR1, TD2A, TR2, TD2A. That means here change is happening in the TR. So just replace parameterize that TR tag. See, same I parameterized. Then you get the top 250 links, link name and link URL and link tooltip. There is a tooltip also. See, when you mouse over, you will get a tooltip. See, this tooltip also you get. That's practice for you also. So again, get element methods, a demo, it is exercise for you guys. So I have given XPath everything. Each link URL you have to, each link name, link URL, tooltip you have to put. These three things you have to put it inside the loop. So this is the parameterization you do. So this is the link I am giving XPath, complete XPath. This XPath you put in the loop inside. Common XPath, how to get all links, just give without a TR index. Don't give any TR index. You will get all the links into collection. So what you can do, so list web element. So top 250 links list equal to driver dot find elements by dot XPath. This XPath you give all links you will get there. Then that size you use, and you will get that. So this is the one program. So this is what you need to do. So launch any browser, okay, and then so open the URL, then fetch list web element IMDb top 250 movies list equal to driver dot find elements by dot XPath. So all the links I'm fetching. See, I'm not giving a TR index, so that all the TRs will come and store in this. So TRA tags, all the links will store here. Then you loop it. So loop it. For loop use. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to IMDb top 250 movies list dot size method I'm calling. This is the collection dot size method, I plus plus. Then first fetch the movie link name. So how can you fetch string? How can you fetch the link name? So get text method you call. So driver dot find element by dot xpath. So this is the xpath. I'm parameterizing now because each link, right? That's why you need to parameterize. Get text and each link URL also you get same parameterize. Get attribute of href and then get attribute of title. The third step you need to fetch the link URL. So this is the one program you try it out. Okay, so this is the for exercise for you guys. You do that. And another one, top 35 inspirational movies. This is also similar, but you have to do click action. Each link you have to perform a click. So the same, so URL also there in that our website. So it is there. See, top 35 inspirational movies you have already here. If you open this, top 35 inspirational movies will show it to you. Okay, and here, see, each link again is a XPath you have to write properly. So you have to construct XPath that I have given here very clearly to you. See, common XPath to get all links is this one: /div @class listener item content h3a. If you give this, all links you will get into collection. Again, same code that I explained now, right? This code. So list web element IMDb 35 inspirational movies list equal to driver dot find elements by dot xpath. So this one xpath you have to use, not to xpath you have to use and give the xpath. Okay, so h3a, this is the xpath you are giving. It will get all the links. Then you iterate for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to movies list dot size I plus plus. Then each link name you have to fetch, right? Each link, how it will represent. So for loop I variable. So this is the you need to use inside the for loop. So use this and then get the use a string movie link name equal to driver dot find element by dot locator xpath value dot get text. Then get attribute of href, get the URL of the same link. Then you have to click on that movie link. So driver dot find element by dot xpath, because click doesn't return anything, right? So click on the same link. See, same xpath and click on that. Then it will go to next page. See, when you click on that, it will go to next page. It will go to next page. So this page heading. So I'm validating the heading and page title also. This page title. So this page title and heading I am validating. So validating this. So then I'm coming back. See, wait for the movie header text. I'm waiting for the movie header text. I have written a movie header text title, the xpath. So /h1 @data test ID equal to hero title. This is the xpath for this. If you right click, inspect the xpath I have given here, you can see that. So this is the xpath. See, this is the one I have written. So div and let me paste that code. HTML. Control F. See the xpath. It will represent that any. It can be next link also. I'm not hard coding the Dead Poet Society. I'm writing a. So this is the one you can see. So div. So @test ID. The test ID I'm using, and I'm so data -test ID. This I'm using h1. So this directly this h1 I'm using. So that I have written a xpath. That xpath I'm using to validate. So validated. I'm waiting for that first. Then get the page title. Wait dot until expected condition start. Title contains driver dot get title. Driver dot get title will get the current page title. This page title. Then if driver dot get title contains the movie link name. So the movie link name is there. So you should not put a double quotes. we should not put this movie link name. So in the double quotes, you should not, it's a variable, right? You should not put in double quotes. So movie link name, then system.out.print, we are in correct movie link page and get that page title. Else you say we are not in the correct movie link name and page title, you fetch it. Then navigate back to previous page. Then that will iterate. This is the loop ends and iterate it. So this is the how you need to write the same code we did for the LinkedIn section links. But this one is entire page links you are fetching with an XPath. There we use the tag name, but here we are using a with XPath you are fetching and iterating that. And each link I have given the code for you. Each link XPath I have given. So this is a parameterized code you have to use. I have given that. So that you write these two programs and come back. Okay, that's exercise for you. I explained entire code also. Just to use your little bit skills and complete that. Yeah, I'll share this video.